Yo, what is going on? It is Friday, December 26th, 11:05 a.m. and today I did not take a trade. I set a limit just now and it got smoked. Well, it didn't get smoked, it didn't get filled. Hold on, let me edit this. Why? Okay, can my OBS work? Por favor. Please, please, please. Okay. So here's the trade. Um Before I even get into today, I want to talk about this trade because there was equal highs right here. And this would have been full TP right here, which would have been for, let me check over here. Would have been risking 20 minis, 350. Would have been 920 full TP. I would be up right now at this exact moment, 810. And probably is going to smack full TP, but where did I fail? Let's talk about my failures before we even talk about today. I was downstairs and then I checked on my phone. I seen these set of equal highs and then I seen a 1 minute gap. And I just wanted to see if we had an SMT right here. Ran in with the last 30 seconds of this candle right here. Ran upstairs. And then check, we had an SMT right here with, where's it at, with this. Then we had equal highs right here for a break-even point. This is where I failed. This is literally 2 points. And I still set a limit. I do that shit a lot. I'll be honest, I do. I never market order, it seems like. And I need to be able to realize those things. So, December's been a time of growth. December's been a time of me, just growing, bro. So this is the closing days heading into the next year, which will be my year. Where I noticed one more flaw, and I need to separate my limit and market orders. It's a part of that fear problem too. Now let's talk about today. Oh shit, no, I was not gonna take it right there. I was gonna take it right here with break even right here. Oh shit, it would have already hit on NQ. I guess MNQ is lagging behind. Is it? Yeah, MNQ is. So, damn. Okay. It's still going to hit, though. So, coming into the day, I was actually pretty bearish. Why was I bearish? We had a very, very good liquidity sweep right here of Asia high. And we had SMT at open. But if we take a look, my bad. Yeah, so we had a liquidity sweep of Asia high. SMT at Asia high. If we take a look right here at open, NQ was under. We had London low still available. We come down at 9:30. We leave these equal lows at 9:31. We then retrace back up. Here's why I did not take this trade right here. This is the trade that the other guys in the Discord took. Here's why I didn't take it. We had already swept this Asia high. We had just reswept the 9:30 opening high twice. We see ES then takes Asia high. Now we have ES trending upwards with good bullish pressure. We have 72 points of bullish order flow. It takes 3 candles to inverse this baby ass 1 minute. Excuse me, the SMT that was said to be taking place is from here. Let's take a look. This was the last time NQ was below anything, any kind of buy side. This whole range has no buy side. So there is this SMT right here. And what day is that from? December 12th. I'm sorry, but that is the external SMT of a fucking, I don't even know what. I don't even fucking know what kind of external SMT that would be fucking labeled as. And then in here I forward, so I didn't take this trade because of that. The SMT was just too far. Had we had a better SMT, I 100% would have taken it. That's the only reason why. I didn't feel as though it would have been a good trade. I didn't like that we had no 5-minute gap below. We only had equal lows. And we had a good draw on liquidity in London, but I don't like the actual entry itself. Love the draws on liquidity, don't like the actual entry itself. Would have definitely preferred at least an internal SMT, and I'd take it. Internal SMT or just way better displacement, because even I was willing to take, I was gonna take like this 1 minute after London had swept it, because I wanted like this death candle to just fucking drop all the way down to here and then just run into these equal lows, break even, and to London low, but we didn't. And then up here, what do we get? It takes 3 candles, which isn't honestly, it honestly is not terrible displacement. If I'm being 100% honest, I just don't like the SMT being from fucking 2 weeks ago. Look, like genuinely, I'm not tripping, right? This is okay. So there is both above on both assets. Nothing until we get here, which I did have it marked out as buy side. But if we take a look over here too, this is the last time ES was above here, was all of this. So yeah, no, I'm good. Not mad at that whatsoever. Oh, this would have been break even. Wow, hold on. Let me pull this over. This would have been the trade. Because we would have went TP right at the tippy top of this. So it gets taken on, let's see, it gets taken right here on, where's that? It gets taken right there on NQ, MNQ. So I would have been pissed. I definitely would have gone stopped in profit. I know myself. I would have been 20. I know myself. This is what I would have done. I would have stopped my profits right here once we got that high. So I still would have made 620 today, but did not because of my lag. And what did I learn? A lesson. All right. So now let's dabble back into today. Then off of that, we had, you see this wick on this 1 minute? There was a 30-second in here that I said in chat. I was like, yo, this 30-second could play out pretty decently. Granted, it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles to displace. Had it happen on this one, I would have taken it. But honestly, 30-second rejecting off of a 1 minute is not my flow. It just is not my flow. Forward tested it though, and it would have fucking smacked full TP. This is the exact forward test I would have ran. Would have been stops right here to a London low. Would have smacked, and then I forward tested another trade. Guess what? Off of the London low sweep, I seen this 2 minute. Oh shit, don't want to do that. I seen this 2 minute that we chopped around, but then we displaced huge fucking displacement. I was like, sheer displacement, equal highs above. Let me forward test this. But the question was, there was no SMT, right? But like, where would I have ran into? I guess this 5 minute, right? And it would have bang bang played out. So yeah, and then this would have been break even. So I would have actually low-key been pissed. But yeah, that's how we end off the week. Sucks that we fucking end off the week like this. Next, so let's take a look at the top steps. We are up. Oh, I thought I was up 500. I'm up 68 bucks. Nice. Oh, I did take an L. So we ended off the week an L, break even. Merry Christmas. Limit not getting filled, but would have been break even because of MNQ. I'm just gonna play aggro as fuck next week. What do we have? We have 3 days next week. I'm gonna be aggressive as fuck. Realistically, we have 2. I'm gonna be aggressive as fuck. $750 to $1,000 risk. Aggressive as fuck. Trying to make the 3K within these 3 days. Aggressive as fuck. I'm gonna be taking trades that you would not usually see me taking. I will be home, so it'll be more likely for me to, you know, be confident in it. So yeah, that's the goal. I'm just gonna be aggro as fuck. Probably gonna risk 750 on one, and then if it fails, 500. Be willing to take 2 trades a day and shit. Like, I don't know, because I'm gonna be, that first trade's really gonna try to be the heavy hitter. But yeah, that's about it. The goal next week is to be aggressive, be uncomfortable, be comfortable with being uncomfortable, and the main big objective is to pass these accounts. So yeah, that's really all I have for today. Hope you have an amazing weekend. Hope your holiday was blessed. I will catch you guys Monday morning.